To my channel once again. As you can see, finally the Ari Wallet registration is closed down. Following what you can see on the screen, it says that task proof submission ended. Stay tuned for the next phase of Arichain. So if you have not submitted before this time, unfortunately there is nothing you can do much about it again, as everything is closed down. We cannot 100% conclude, because if the appeal is too much, that is, if the number of people that have not submitted their registration before this time are too much, maybe Arichain may consider giving them another chance, maybe extending the submission, okay? But we can't say at the moment, because Arichain will release another official news, which we are expecting it to happen later, okay? From there, we'll know whether there's another chance for people who have not submitted yet, okay? And also, for people that submitted their on Arichain or Ari Wallet but have not been able to complete their Discord registration, we also need to wait for their official, because from the rumor I heard, the Arichain Discord registration may be optional, okay? But we can't say yet, because no any official announcement. And as everything is ongoing smoothly, you have to be very careful and beware of scammers, because someone came to my DM that he is buying Arichain or Ari Wallet, and Ari Wallet have not been launched officially yet, okay? So I will not advise you to sell your point until the official listing have happened, you understand? Because most of these online deals involve a lot of scamming, and if you are not careful, they may steal your hard-earned account. So you have to be very, very careful. So the question is, what should you do next after the registration? The next thing you should do is this. As you can see, this is my Ari Wallet. For security purpose, I will not open it, but you have to make sure you secure your account first, because that is the most important thing you need to do first, okay? If you come over to settings here, after clicking on settings, you will see, view master key. You have to view it and keep it in somewhere safe. The second thing you need to do is to make sure you secure the email. That is, the email you use to register on your Ari Wallet should be login. You understand? Because maybe it will come to a time we'll need OTP. We don't know yet, but it is important you have the email saved. Those are the two things you need to do. And most importantly, you link EVM on Ari Wallet as well as on Discord. The EVM you link, make sure you secure it, and you should at least have the account you get the EVM from. If you use MetaMask, okay, for instance, if you use MetaMask, you have to make sure your MetaMask is secure. If you use a Trust Wallet, you should make sure your Trust Wallet is also secured. Now, what is the next news, okay? If we go to Ari Wallet now, which is Ari Wallet on Twitter, okay, guys, I come over to the search section here. We scroll down a little bit. There is no any information from there as of today, but following the news under it, stay tuned for the next Arichain news. The news may be finally TGE, but we don't know yet. It's not 100% guarantee at the moment. But according to them, they are on the final stage of their program, which is registration. And from registration, we're expecting them to announce the listing date of Arichain or Ari Wallet. However, as everything is ongoing, I want you to drop in the comment section, what is your total Ari point mine? And what are we expecting as the price on the listing day? What do we predict to be the listing price of Ari Wallet? Okay, let us see our opinion in the comment section, and we'll keep on giving you updates regarding to Arichain or Ari Wallet when it is time. So guys, that is it, and this is what I have for you at the moment. If you find this video interesting, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.